Hey tech lovers! Today we're setting up the Blink Mini Indoor Camera, an incredibly affordable smart camera that'll transform your home security. Whether you're a smart home newbie or a seasoned pro, this 10-minute guide will get you up and running. Let's dive in. First, let's unbox everything together. You'll get the compact Blink Mini camera. It's super small, about the size of a deck of cards. Also included are the USB power cable, wall mount with adhesive strips, and a handy quick start guide. No batteries needed since it's powered via USB. Now grab your smartphone and download the official Blink app. It's free and works on both iOS and Android. Create a new account using your email address. Verify it, and you're ready to add your camera. This account will be your command center for all things Blink. Plug your Blink Mini into a convenient USB power outlet near your desired location. Open the app, tap Add Device, and scan the QR code on the back of the camera. The app will guide you through connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network, as the Mini doesn't support 5 GHz. Once connected, give your camera a name like living room or bedroom. Now let's talk motion detection. This is where the Blink Mini shines. Adjust the sensitivity slider based on your space. Enable push notifications so you're alerted instantly. And you can even create activity zones to ignore certain areas. Perfect for ignoring pets or fan movement. The two-way audio feature lets you speak and listen through your camera. Great for greeting visitors or checking on family. You'll find the speaker icon in the app. For Alexa integration, open your Alexa app, enable the Blink skill, and link your Blink account. Now you can ask Alexa to show your camera feed on any Echo Show or compatible device. Your clips are automatically saved to the cloud. You get 30 days free, and optional subscriptions extend that. For optimal coverage, mount your camera 6 to 10 feet high in a corner for maximum visibility. Avoid direct sunlight which can wash out the image, and keep it away from heat sources. A strong Wi-Fi signal is crucial, so pick a spot with good connectivity. Congratulations! Your Blink Mini is now fully set up and protecting your home. Take some time to test the video quality, motion alerts, and two-way audio. Explore the app settings to customize notifications just how you like them. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment telling us where you placed your camera. Thanks for watching.